This looks like my favorite car.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's small, and this is the one that's been in my bedroom for a long time. So I decided to open it today. And this is my favorite thing, a Beetle. It also plays music.
That's right. And how many music are they? Just one?
One.
Oh, okay.
I don't think the back works. It just goes slowly when you push the back.
So if you touch it, it will stop automatically.
Yeah, if you touch the guy, it'll stop. This, it'll make it go.
Oops, I missed it. Can you give it to me? Up. Easy, easy, truck. Oh my gosh, it's pushing it away. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. It's warming up. Whoa! Uh-oh, no! Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Here comes the angry bird. Woo!
Crush it. Just push it. Just crush it and rub 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 it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Back her up.
Let's move it out. Back her up.
Pushing out. Uh-oh. Woo!
Kill yourself. Great. 1, 2, 3. Die.
Back her up. Back her up.
Die.
Bye-bye. Where are you going?
You only get one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So this one's first, this one's second, this one's third. You're useless. You are useless. You're dead. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Down below. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
Battery fell out.
Oh, came off.